Hey, what's up? Gotta do a shotgun only. Shotgun only run. And no cuts. So that's better you can. And shoot zombies. Is this on? I know what this on. Just wanna fall to say
Are you playing online?
No, I'm doing a YouTube video. Oh, this is on. Oh, I knew Sandra. Alright, shotgun only run, no cuts. Everybody's seen the cutscenes. Everybody's seen the cutscenes. Alright, doing shotgun only, which means I can't shoot anything. So I get the shotgun.
You alright? Don't move. I'll be back for you.
Goes down your background music. You might like it, you might not.
What the?
You listen a little bit of Travis sometimes? What? I said you listen to a little bit of Travis sometimes? I don't know.
Attention all citizens.
Yes. I can't tell.
This is out of control.
Whoa, is this a citywide outbreak or no? Oh, spooky. Wow, looks spooky zombie. Oh,
Shit. It's everybody.
so I'm just thinking about how long it's gonna be because I'm not really that good at this game. I've only completed it once. And now I'm doing a no-cut shotgun only.
There it is. The station.
The reason I decided to do shotgun only is because I cannot do Claire's campaign. It's just, I don't even know. I just cannot do it. The final G, or whatever the big thing is called, whatever the hell the big thing is called, fight, it's too hard. I can't do it. Hold up, I'll mute myself for real quick. Oh yeah, I'm also gonna try and get an S rank. Alexa, volume 4. Alexa, volume 5. Alright, this should be better. It's a little bit less quiet. Alright, yeah. So I'm gonna try and get S rank because S plus rank is too hard. Alright, so
Hello? Is anybody here?
I'm gonna put away my pistol and my ammo. So you guys believe me. If you didn't believe me enough, I'm not doing any cuts. It's a full playthrough because I do not know any good editing softwares where can I afford them, so no cuts. Yes. This is just a shotgun run. I'm not a good enough player to do a no damage run. So this is just a shotgun only run. And I'm allowed to use heals. The only rules are no other guns than a shotgun. Just shotgun only, and I think that's about it. The only rule.
Jesus.
Open up! Hurry! Open up!
I'm coming, I'm coming.
Get you out!
Chill.
Please!
Give me your
Help
hand.
me!
I got you. Give me your other hand.
Alright, it's a little too graphic. Alright. I've learned this from a certain YouTuber. I've learned this trick right here from a certain YouTuber.
Jesus! You're everywhere! Come on. Does anyone know what started this?
Oh, hey, oh, I haven't played this game in so long. Forgot that guy's name. I forgot his name. Play so mad at me forgetting his name, but I haven't played this game in a year. No, I think it's that. No? Come on, what am I doing wrong? I need the first one. The first one's the lion. Yeah, there we go. Yes, he was.
Yeah. Passage isn't open yet.
Exactly. Oh, right. Can't go there without the speed key.
This is not how I imagined the first day.
I think it's really cool that you have like all the stuff on your belt. You can actually like see him take it out and put it back in. It's a really cool feature. Keep going, Leon. If you want to read that, you can pause the video. You have to have some. Yeah, some pausing points or pausing skills have to be on point. Oh my god, never mind. This is almost back there. Hey, fatty. Come on, 4 breaks. Yeah. Every time I play Resident Evil 2, I always put the boards on that window. Mag ammo? Oh, no. Should I go back this way? Nah, I guess I'll just go over here. So why not? Flicker's gonna fall across that.
What in the...
Leon, it's Marvin. I need you back here ASAP.
Are you okay, Marvin?
I've got something to show you.
No, he's a giant bite.
Do that. I'll be right there.
On his side. I don't think he's that okay, but. Where's Marvin? Marvin should take anything. I think it's Bird. King. Base. No. Actually, base. Girl. There we go. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little rusty. Hey! Guess I have to put that knife back in that next time.
Shut down.
Oh!
Yo, let's go.
No, I woke him up. What happened?
What's the video idea?
Shotgun only challenge. Wrestling about two. Alright, let's get the shotgun key card. Stop. There she is. Shotgun key card. Alright, let's go meet Claire.
Marvin, we've got a situation here. I'm surrounded by zombies.
Yes.
Marvin, do you copy? Marvin!
I think he can see on the camera.
Damn it.
Uh-oh, I might discard some items. Alright, I just need 2 spaces. I need help. Alright, grab that. Grab that. Do that. Alright, and I ain't coming back. I ain't coming back in here again. Bye-bye. Bye. I have no idea why the mic was off. I don't know how long it was off for. I hope the footage was recording, but I don't even know how long the mic was off for. The mic. Are you kidding me? It was off this whole time? Alright, well I hope the footage was recording at least. I forgot enough ammo. Leave that on. I don't think I have enough ammo.
No choice. Gotta take it down.
Are you sure you gotta take it down? Like can you talk to him and maybe like invite him like to a tea party or something? Oh, I'm dead. Wow, like you could actually do that. Come on! One minute ammo. I give up. Bye guys.